So I actually sleep about 2 to 3 times a night for about a few hours. I wake up, and by the time my alarm rings, it's time for me to get ready for work. Do you have any food recommendations for my insomnia?
Well, first of all, let's talk about sleep and melatonin, okay? So everyone's heard of melatonin supplement. You take it to go to sleep. So basically, melatonin is a hormone. And it puts your body into a peaceful restfulness, which prepares you for sleep. So it promotes sleep. And what happens is it's related to the time of the day or the light of the day. So when it's light outside, your melatonin levels dip, and you're awake and feeling great. When it's dark outside, the brain, your pineal gland, secretes this melatonin, and it goes up. And so it says it's time to go to sleep. Most of us secrete enough melatonin, but 2 things happen. 1, as you age, you may not be having enough melatonin. Or 2, from a physiological standpoint, the melatonin is not doing its trick. So there are some foods you can eat. I have here, we're going to make a little yogurt parfait, okay? And basically there are 4 things that are important for your melatonin, okay? First of all, you want to make sure you have calcium, you want to have magnesium, you want to have protein, and you want to have vitamin B6. All these things are in foods that help either make melatonin or they make serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that comes before the melatonin. The almonds and walnuts actually have melatonin themselves in there. We're going to make a nice little yogurt parfait, just some nice Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, okay? And what I like about it is that you can typically have about, I always believe before going to sleep, 200 calories or less should be your snack. A snack is not 500 calories. So you have some yogurt. Low-fat yogurt is great. It has the protein in it and the calcium that I just talked about. You also want to have some berries in it. We talked before about antioxidants that you find, for example, in tomatoes. Well, there's also antioxidants in berries, which are very important. Also, bananas. Bananas are great. I love bananas, by the way. Your bananas have the magnesium in them, and a little bit of granola. Remember, granola can be high in calories.
I was just going to say, you just went over your 200 calories.
So all for TV. So anyway, and in the granola you have, your protein in there. And so what's great about this is it's simple, it's easy, it has a nice crunch, okay, which I think is also great for a snack. Suppresses your appetite also, crunch does. We don't know why, but a crunchy snack will suppress your appetite. But this is all you have before you go to bed.
Hey,
it took me about 2
what
hours.
about the nuts I was eating?
Yeah, you could add
You're
nuts.
not going to use them? Fine.
You could add nuts. Nuts are
Hey,
great.
you want some nuts?